Today is the second day in Goa, and the first thing I need to do now is set up my workspace because it's a Monday and I need to start working by 9. We have a meeting, so I need to do that ASAP because I woke up pretty late. I thought I'll wake up by 7, but I woke up at 8:35, 8:40, and I just have like 10 minutes more to set everything up and be ready for the meeting. The first thing we need is the laptop stand. So if you work for long hours on laptop, it's better that you get such a stand. Okay, so it's basically a metal piece which opens up and holds your laptop. So just set that up pretty quick. You have the brackets. It's the height I want. Next thing for me is the mouse and the mouse pad. And then you always need to have a diary with you to write something or the other. Writing helps a lot. You won't forget it, and you will kind of recheck it once the day is getting over. So that's my workspace for now. I'm done with the meeting, and now I need to go and buy some vegetables because yesterday I didn't cook, but today I need to start cooking. So I need the basic vegetables. This is a shortcut to go to the main road, the Arambol-Perniam road, and that's where you get a lot of things to buy. It looks beautiful in the morning, but in the night this is super scary. Goa is quite a relaxed place. A lot of shops and institutions do not open before 9 or 10 a.m. So some do, then you have to find them and reach there. The same happened in my case. We have a store which is close by, like hardly 5-10 minutes from here, but it was closed, so I had to walk for like 1 kilometer, more than a little over a kilometer to reach this place, which is a good place. You get good kind of vegetables from there, so it's good. So yep, more than 2 kilometers done walking in the morning, which is healthy. And this is what I've brought. So curry patta is inside. Yeah, so we all know curry patta is necessary for all Indian food, tadka and everything. Then there's no garlic, so only one sort of cluster which I got. Then we have tomatoes, the trinity of vegetables: potato, tomato and kanda. So this is the basic vegetables which Indian household needs, and this is hara mirchi again, which we need. And I am thinking of eating cucumber daily because it says it has antioxidants. I don't know what the fuck that means, but I'm gonna eat it daily and see how my health is. Apparently, how do I feel? This is today's breakfast. Today has been a busy day in the office, so I didn't get time to make lunch as of now. It's 1:30. I usually take my break by 2, so in 1 hour I have to complete making it and also eating it. And just to add the budget, yesterday's fun was 490, and today we brought vegetables. That is 150. So it's 590, 640, 590, 640, 980, 11, 980. The time is 2 o'clock. That means I have 1 hour to cook food and also eat it. So I'll be making dal, chawal, and some potato sides. First, we'll wash the dal. Next, take one onion and cut it in half. Now you can just remove the outer part. Just cut the ends. Just cut into short pieces, and then you can put it into the dal. Next, we take a tomato and wash it. Same, remove the top part and then cut it into 4 or 8 pieces. I mean, 8 is fine. Put this into the dal. Next important thing is putting the salt. Then you have the masala. We don't need mirchi, we only need haldi. Shake it well. Then you can just lid it up. This will take like 5-10 minutes. So till then we'll just peel the potatoes and make them ready. Take 2 big potatoes, wash them. Then you need to start peeling it. Let's just cut this into small thin slices. Not make it too thin or else it may get burnt, because we're going to fry it a little. So yeah, make sure it's a little thick. Induction cooker used to cook pretty fast. This is gas, so we still have not got a city. These are the chopped potatoes ready to be made. To save a little time, I'll just remove the rice and wash it up so that we can cook it once this is done. Now it's time to give tadka to the dal over here. So this is the vessel I'm using. So pour some oil in it. Once the oil is hot, you need to just take some rai and just drop it. Take a few lal mirchi and just snap it. Remove the top. You can just break it in half and put it. If you want, you can also put some curry leaves. I'm taking 1 strand. Then you put some mirchi powder into it. Oh, that's too much. The dal. Yeah, it may feel like a science experiment, but that's okay. Now it's time to cook the rice. Just take little water, maybe just half an inch or inch above the rice. That's all we need, and we need to put salt in it. We've had like 4 to 5 whistles. Now we can just move it and keep our pan. It's supposed to be a non-stick, but all the non-stickiness is gone. So there's a good chance that things can stick. So use more oil. I mean, it's for me. Pour some good amount of oil. You can start placing your potatoes. Don't let it cook for a long time. Just keep on tossing it. Well, there's a good chance the potatoes will stick to the bottom of the pan. If you have a good non-stick, then this won't be an issue. Since I don't, I have to sort of keep on flipping it. The potatoes will stick together, so you'll have to keep on separating them and flipping them at the same time so that nothing gets burnt. It's somewhat cooked. Some of these are becoming dark, so we'll put the next ingredient, that is my favorite, salt. After the salt, we can put some mirchi powder. Now over here you can also use this plain green mirchi. One day I'll show you that version also. It's almost done. Let's give it some toss. Sticks pretty soon to each other. Good community sense. But then you have to keep on getting them away from each other, which society does very well. I think we're good to go. So here's the potato side. Here you have the dal, nice and thick, and here you have the chawal. Open. Oops. Okay, this looks perfect. So that's the lunch for today. The time is 3:15, so I've overshot by 15 minutes. I'll be eating while working. It's very hot. And spicy. The potatoes have come out so good. Not actually a healthy diet, but mostly a healthy diet, so I like it. I'm yet to edit my vlog for day one. With a busy work schedule and cooking, which I didn't think will take so much time, things are getting delayed. So hopefully I get a hold on the time and start editing my vlogs and you can see it. I just finished the editing, now it is getting rendered. It will take around I think more than half an hour. The thing is, I now have time to talk about Goa a little, but there's something going on in the temple. Even yesterday they started around 6:30 and ended by 10:30, and even today I feel the same thing is going to happen. So maybe I won't be able to record properly because there constantly will be the songs and bhajans and speech. So let's see if this gets over soon. I'll do the introduction part of Goa, or else I'll do it tomorrow in daylight. Now it's time to boil my eggs. I mean, I'm supposed to eat 2 eggs daily. That's what the plan is. So yesterday I had 2 eggs. Today also I'm gonna make 2 eggs. Just boil them, as that's the best way to absorb protein. Yeah, I want to see how much effect that makes on my health. The boiled eggs have turned nice and well. This is just coriander on the top. It enhances the taste. So if you like coriander, you should try it on boiled eggs. It tastes good. The vlog is uploaded. I already have 5 views and 3 likes, 2 of which is mine. So yeah, we are done with our first vlog. It's live, and the time is almost 10:45 and I'm literally tired. The whole day there's some kind of work going on. So this is the end of the vlog, but tomorrow we will talk about Goa a little, the introduction, how to reach, where to go and things like that, for sure tomorrow. And now I'm very sleepy, so I'll just have my chawal and dal and sleep off.